It's right here somewhere. Oh, here we go. That's perfect. Oh, hey, my friends. It's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Yep, I'm here with Coastal Bonfires in Garden City, South Carolina. And we have a really special and awesome night planned. We're gonna build a bonfire, but in a really awesome place. At the beach. Well, it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna have s'mores and let's see here. Oh, we're gonna have hot dogs and we're gonna have live music too. That's gonna be great. And all of my friends are gonna come and we're gonna have a wonderful time together. But first, we've gotta get some things set up. We've gotta make sure everything is safe and ready to go. So let's get started. We're gonna learn all about it today. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends, check this out. Here at Coastal Bonfire, they have a really awesome trailer that holds everything that they need to have a bonfire on the beach. And some really cool tools too. Check this out. This is a really awesome hand truck. Check out these wheels. They're a little special because it's gonna help us roll over the sand once we get to the beach. All right, so let's open that up there. First thing, our chairs. We've got some really cool chairs here. Let's see here. Oh, wow, look at this. This is a really cool chair. Looks nice and relaxing. So we're gonna sit that there. So we've gotta count out 5, maybe 7 chairs. There goes 1. Let's see here. 2. Maybe we can do 2 together. Oh yeah. That makes 4. Let's see here. 4. 2 more. Oh yeah. That makes 6. Awesome job. All right. I think this should be good here. Let's tilt this back. And let's go. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, these chairs are a little heavy. Oh yeah. Ooh. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Oh yeah. Well, getting some help from my friends. They're doing such a great job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that's a lot of chairs. Okay, that's it. Or do I need to put more?
That's good.
Okay. It's a little warm out here today, but my next task is getting the tiki torches ready. Oh, right here. My friends, check it out. This is a tiki torch. Yep. What happens is, it actually goes in the stand. The stand goes in the sand. Oh, it has a wick that gets lit. And there's some tiki fluid that keeps it lit. And what it does is, it sets the mood, the atmosphere, the ambiance of the night. It makes it really relaxing. It's so cool, isn't it? Yep. Well, but first we've got to fill up these tiki torches with some tiki fuel because that's what keeps it burning, as well as keeps the pesky mosquitoes and the bugs away. So nice and easy. Don't want to overfill it. All right, perfect. There we go. Just the right amount. All right, here we go, my friends. Now we've got our tiki torches nice and full of tiki fluid. Let's get them to the beach. Oh, let's go. Oh yes. These are gonna look great out here. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's not too windy to light these. Should be okay. Yeah. Let's go. All right, getting there. My friends, check this out. This is the fire pit for our bonfire. Yep, it's really, really cool. This is what we use to make it safe on the beach. Oh, this is a big ramp. Okay, it's a nice steep incline. We're almost there. Almost there. Oh, oh man. Oh no! My friends, did you see that? Oh, it got away from me. Well, this is a whole lot easier and safer. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh great. Wow, no, it is a beautiful day out here. Sun is shining, some really awesome waves. Oh wow, the sea oats look great and looks like everyone's having a great time. We're gonna have a great time with this bonfire. Oh yeah, here we go. Bloop, bloop. Well, my friends, we've got everything out here on the beach. All the chairs, the tiki torches, tables, the fire pit. Now, you just gotta get things set up and make it look really cool for all my friends. Let's get to it. My friends, check this out. Doesn't this look amazing? Oh, we've got 2 fire pits in the center. We've got a table for all of our things like s'mores and the graham crackers and marshmallows and the hot dogs. And then we've got all our chairs nicely placed around in a really cool circle. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Gotta wait till the sun sets and we can start these fires up and it's gonna be great. Let's finish. All right, here we go. Table should go right in the middle. Perfect. That way they can work both fire pits from one table. Oh, that's great. Oh yeah. Looks like the perfect spot for this one. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, time to light the tiki torches. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at this. Oh, we're almost ready. We got all of our supplies out for our s'mores and our hot dogs. See, our graham crackers. Oh, and we've got chocolate and marshmallows. Perfect. Got our weenies, our buns, ketchup, mustard. Oh, and a little something special to help cook the hot dogs and the s'mores. Oh yes. Well, I think we might need to get these fires lit and we'll be ready to go. Come on, let's go. All right, my friends, now's the time to light the bonfire. Inside each one of these fire pits are a bunch of these right here. These are sawdust logs, and they help the fire burn really, really hot and for a long time. I think this is gonna be enough for about maybe 2.5 hours. Perfect. Now, we're just gonna have to light it. Safety first. You might wanna step back a little bit. Okay, there we go. It started there. Started there. Oh, here we go. Oh, awesome. We got this one lit. Now, let's go get the second one. Come on. Alrighty. We now got our second one lit. This is gonna be a great night. How you doing? You doing all right today? Oh yeah. You ready for some s'mores? All right, my friends. All my friends are here, and we're having a totally awesome time. We've got our bonfire set, we've got our sticks, our weenies, our marshmallows, our s'mores, and the drill. Check this out, my friends. It's like the perfect weenie roaster. Oh, Benji, no. That is, no, you don't want to use that. No, that's the tiki torch. The bonfire's over here. Come on, let's go. Yep, right over here. Right here, and it's perfect. Just hold it over there nice and easy, and you can turn it left and right. Oh yes, you want a nice, warm, brown, toasty look to each side. Oh, see, you can see it's already started. Oh, whoa, Benji. That's a little crispy there, but it might work. Oh, Benji, what do you have there? That's not a hot. No, you're doing, no, s'mores are made with graham cracker, chocolate, and the marshmallow. Those are for the hot dogs. Oh, wow, my friends. We're having such an awesome time at this bonfire with all my friends, and we're roasting some hot dogs and some s'mores, and the sun is setting. Oh, it's beautiful out here. Oh, and I'm here with my friend, Cool Chris, and he brought his guitar. So I thought it'd be a great idea to sing some songs.
2, 3, 'cause we're awesome.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, we're awesome, yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. We're awesome. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. We can learn, we can play, we can have an awesome day. Yay! We're awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome is what we do, 'cause we're awesome. We're awesome. Awesome. Tools are cool.
Oh yeah.
They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. I want to hang a picture on the wall, but I need to make sure that it does not fall. I've got my nail, I've got my ladder, I need one more thing. It's called a hammer. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything that we want to do. I need to make a table out of wood, but I need to make sure that it's gonna be good. This one little tool is my favorite treasure. What do I need? Of course, the tape measure. Tools are cool. They can help us do anything. Tools are cool. They
can help us do anything that we want to do.
They can
Help us do anything that we want to do.
They can
Help us do anything that we want to do.
Awesome!
Oh, wow, my friends, we have certainly had an absolutely awesome time on the beach today. Oh, a big thanks to Coastal Bonfire for helping us out. Oh, I had fun helping them out too. All the really cool s'mores and hot dogs that we made, and of course, Cool Chris and the beach. All my friends, it's been a great day. So thanks for watching Handyman Hal. We'll see you later.
You guys ready for one more song?
Yes! One more? One more!
One more song! One more song! 2, 3. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me?
Of course I can.
Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. We're gonna need all of your handy too. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Handyman Hal, I got a job for you.
Yeah.
We're gonna need all of your handy tools. Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. Can you help me?
Sure can.
Handyman Hal, I got a job for you. You're gonna fix it 'cause that's what you do. Yay! You gotta dig.